Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com with FC Tucker Realtors. Today, we're at 3712 Mesa Lane in Indian Echo Hills. Now this arts and crafts home on 2.5 acres is nestled in beautiful mature trees and it has been thoroughly updated. Let's take a look. There are 3 sets of garages with this property. 2 of them are detached. One of them has an apartment. You'll enjoy the entertaining aspect to the back of the house. There's a deck that extends the entire back length of the home, and most of it is covered. The grounds are very manicured, and it's set up very much like a compound. There are outbuildings, and there's a beautiful entertainment area. The 2-story dining room has a step down, and it's also enhanced with this beautiful hardwood flooring, and it opens directly into the kitchen. Serious cooks will really appreciate this large kitchen with floating island. It's great for entertaining, has a gas cooktop. There are double ovens, great refrigeration space, and beautiful views of the woods. There's a beautiful Bella Designs backsplash, a local artist. Also, there's a prep sink here, and there's a full sink at the window that overlooks the patio area. The media area in this great room is fantastic, and it's very influenced by the arts and crafts style of this home with its own 2.5 acre compound. The master suite wing is 2 stories of great loft space, plus you have the beautiful Brazilian cherry, a fireplace, and a superb spa tub. Great features in this luxury spa bath. Double vanities, lots of storage, terrazzo, and a beautiful spa shower that has body jets and all kinds of custom tile work. Is a really nice enhancement. Plus, there's a walk-in closet with its own island. There are 3 upper-level bedrooms. One of the bedrooms happens to be an additional master suite. Great entertaining for the big game or any kind of sports event with this lower level space that's perfect for game watching. There's a wet bar, has its own dishwasher, plus there's a full bath on this level. For touring on my video open house. I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors. Please feel free to reach out with any other additional information requests. My number is 812-360-5333. You can tour this home or many others with a video open house on jeffsells.com.